The last question is about my ambition. I think is continue doing what I do, travel around the world and work around the world, know about different culture, different people, and work my idea in the future. And also future plan is work as a director in a movie. Actor, of course, continue doing actor, action director, and director. This is the idea, the project, long-term project. I think because in the movie business, when you are on set, if you know the director, you don't have totally control of what you do. So if you like have the control, you need to be a director. So it is. And when I am on set, when I am on the fight scene or the scene, normally you see that. You see, for example, let's see Jackie Chan. If you see the movie Police Story, he was director. So he did a great movie, and he know what is possible he do, and he take the best of him, right? And if you see the movie he did before, like a project was in America, no, I don't remember the name. It's Project A. Okay, he did a movie in America where he fight with Will Wallace, and that movie is totally different. It's not the best of Jackie. Why? Because other person directing, so they don't know which is your best angle, your best lines, your best which is the best feeling you need put in each scene. So I think when the people direct right themselves, it's better. So I like have that experience in the future, and I like work in the future, maybe in Argentina. I like try something there. I like continue working in Dominican Republic, which because it's a great country, great people. And then I know here this is for Pakistan, right? I was in 2016, I think was. I have a contact with production from Pakistan. They shoot in UK, and they called me to do some fight choreography and prepare some stunts, but finally I don't did. But I think in the future, maybe why not work in Pakistan? And yeah, I always like work around the world. I never feel scared to work anywhere, because I work in Argentina and I work in China, so worse than that don't have. And what I believe, if you work in China, you are ready to work around the world. Because sometimes in China it's difficult because they think different, right? China people have another way of thinking, and for Western mind, if you have a Western mind, it's very difficult for you. But if you adapt to your Western mind to China people, there is easy, become easy. So this is what happened to me right now. For example, I give you an example. I did a fight scene, like I said before, is a strong violence idea. That fight scene was shot in 15 hours non-stop. Just we stopped for a lunch, 1 hour or something. Was a 15 hours non-stop, and I did my part of the fight. The camera angle shoot to me. I did my fight. Then I did again the fight, shoot the stunt guy, the parts with the stunt guy. And then I did again shoot with the actor, with the lead role actor. So I did 3 times the same fight. Of course, next day I was, my body was in pain, all my body. Like a one track, hit me in the body, and I just relaxed, stay on the hotel, and then finish my shooting, and then next day come back to my home. But I think this is my way to check if the fight was good or not is the next day, when I feel tired or not. So that fight was very good. Also, when I did, but this was in Spain, when I did Stand Games, because it was an independent film, and I did the last fight. We did the last fight we shoot in 2009 in Madrid. And the director, because his way of shooting, we shoot the scene. We shoot many times the last scene, right? And I try to do my best. Don't was a long hours, but was very intensive. Next day of that shooting, I was on bed. I need just take a rest. Not possible to stand up. Because I have one guy come behind me, kick double leg kick, like a side kick but double leg side kick. So I fight double leg side kick. I did many times that scene. So I don't see when the guy come. When he kick me, I just fall. And the next day, your muscle, all the muscle in my back feel pain. So for that reason, no possible move. I just need to stay on the bed. So it was very hard. But this one was in China. It was in Spain. So funny. But yeah, this is my future plan. And also I like work more in Spain, do some movies in Spanish, because it's my mother language. I speak Spanish, Portuguese, English, Cantonese a little bit, and Mandarin also basic. But I prefer, if I act in Spanish, it's much easier than act in other language. So I think for acting it's nice, try different challenge, but in Spanish. Okay, thank you. I think was okay, but I give many different details about my career, my experience, my point of view. And thanks a lot for the opportunity. 谢谢你 Mandarin. Thank you.